wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And because this video is just long overdue, I'm not gonna keep you waiting. If you guys want to know about this foundation, let's go. Okay, so today I am trying the Win Beauty Hydrating Skin Enhancing Tint, so you don't have to. This is the Hydrating Skin Enhancing Tint SPF 30, retails for $29 for 1.01 ounces and comes in 36 shades. I have it in the shade 420 Release. Okay, cute little names behind them. Win Beauty featuring you Hydrating Skin Enhancing Tint SPF 30, enhances skin with buildable coverage and a naturally radiant finish. Formulated with invisible sun protection and the truly unstoppable Hydra Complex, the lightweight formula delivers up to 72 hours of hydration. Available in 36 shades. Refreshing gel cream texture, feels lightweight, is easy to blend, and lets skin shine through. Invisible broad spectrum UVA, UVB protection. Long wearing, vegan, cruelty free, safe for sensitive skin. Okay, let's get into it. You know, usually I can tell by the little sticker if it's gonna be one of them type of days when it comes to the shade. And I think I told y'all. Okay, so this is the packaging. It's the shade in the bottle. Okay. We're just gonna okay, let's see how this goes. Okay, so this is it blended out on the skin. Now, I don't know about, you know, radiant finish, radiant look to it, because y'all know I got oily skin, baby. It has been hot down here, okay? But I'm gonna finish my full face, and then we're gonna wear it throughout the day to see how this goes. Okay, so this is it for my face. I feel like face came out cute, but it's gonna sound weird. I don't like how makeup sat on top of it to blend in. And there is a difference. Like sometimes the way makeup blends in, it's just like, and you're gonna get a flawless finish. I still love the finish, but I don't like how like any like concealer powder sat on it before blending it in. But it is 12:33, so I'm going to go about my day. Did the camera just get darker? I'm about to go about my day, and then I will check in midday and then check in at the end to tell you my thoughts on this and show you how it showed up. Bye. All right, y'all, it is 3:33. Ooh, I feel like I was all in your face talking. Like, just, okay, so it is a 3:33. This is what my face looks like. I think it said like 50% humidity today. It's not that hot. It's the I feel like it's really the humidity that be getting me, because y'all know I'm anemic, so I like hot. But it's the humidity which is just unbearable, and I'm like, I can't do this. So it's warm-ish today, but it's the humidity that's a problem. And it's like isolated thunderstorms, but she's holding me up. Okay, so it is 6:04. This is my face. Ooh, I feel like there's a shadow from the mic. This is what my face is looking like. Had to take that wig off, y'all. I really only had the wig on for this video. So I was like, you know, by the time I wrap up this video, take the wig off, could just wash my face. But thoughts on this product. This is what my ooh. This is what my face is looking like. I feel like, baby, face still looks good. Okay, I left what, like 6 hours ago, somewhere around there, and I feel like the only shine is like this area here-ish. Like my eyebrows, I don't feel like they're sweating. It's really just like this area right here. Let me see if I blot. Dior blotting paper. Ooh, I ripped out too many. Not a need, but a want that is worth it. Once you blot, That is that side compared to that side. And then again, I feel like face still looks good for 6 hours later. And I don't want to say it, y'all, but she's just okay to me. Like, I don't know if I waited so long that I was expecting more. And it's not like I can say that there's anything wrong with it, because I don't think anything's wrong with it. And remember how I pointed out before that it's supposed to be like a radiant finish. It's not supposed to be, you know, oil controlling, anything like that. And even though I feel like a little oil is showing 6 hours later, for it to not be mattifying, for it to specifically be like a radiant type finish and on someone who has oily skin, I feel like it holds up very well throughout the day. It looks nice on the face. It's a good color match. It's a good shade range. So there's not really anything I can say is wrong with it. I just love Serena down. Would I try other things from the brand? Yes, I would. Maybe I've tried too many foundations, or maybe, you know, I tried it too soon after trying the LYS foundation, but I'm just kind of like, okay, she's nice. And I feel like it's one of those, if, you know, I set it aside in my collection, I would probably forget about it for a minute, but someday I would be like, oh, I want to wear that Win Beauty foundation again. And I'll pull it out and it'll look good on the face, but then I'll probably forget about it again afterwards. That's what I'm saying. Like, there's nothing wrong with it. I want to keep saying I'm trying to think. The only thing I said earlier is that, like, I didn't like how makeup blended on top of it, like how it blended in with other makeup. Maybe it's one of those products where it blends out better with the other products that the brand has to offer. It's just kind of like, ooh, okay, I tried it. You know, I'm part of the crew now that I tried it, but okay. And like, even though I said I don't like how makeup blended in when I was blending my makeup together, I don't think that there's anything wrong with how the makeup blended in and how it looks on my face. Like, I feel like it looks good on the face, but it's just kind of like, you know, she's cute. I don't know why I feel bad saying that, but I really do. I don't know. And I really don't know what to say, because maybe it's just one of those, like, the product just, you know, wasn't for me. And again, I feel like that sounds weird to say, because when you say, well, why isn't it for you? What are you supposed to say? You can't say it's how it wears, it's how it looks, it's, I don't know. And you know, that's just kind of the reality when it comes to makeup. Everything that you try won't be, oh, so spectacular and the best thing since sliced bread, and you just absolutely positively have to run out and get it. But that also doesn't mean anything's wrong with it. It's just, you've tried other products that you probably like more. So you stick to those. But like I said, again, you can see it on my face. It wore well throughout the day for a product that is not meant for oily skin. It looks good on the skin. Yes, I would try other products that they have, but for this one, I'm just kind of like, And honestly, truly, dry skin probably love this because of the radiant finish. And it looks good on camera. It'll probably photograph really good as well. So those are my thoughts if you wanted to go ahead and check this one out. There were two I was supposed to ask y'all about. I was supposed to ask y'all if you wanted to see the Patrick Ta foundation, and then what was the other foundation? Oh my god, there was another foundation. What was it? Let me know in the comments down below. Someone did ask me for the NYX blushes and contour bronzer. I got you on that one. I'll be working on that this weekend. But yeah, anything else you guys want a review on, anything new you want to know my thoughts about, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah.